dare folks ask me? How dare folks ask me? How y'all doing, by the way? Happy Friday. How dare folks ask me who you rocking with in the tournament? How dare you ask me a question like that? Meaning, I'm rocking with the East Coast. I'm rocking with St. Peter's, the New York, New Jersey mob. I'm rocking with them. I like their coach. I like how they play ball. I like how they play ball. Unapologetic. Straight up, we just gonna we just gonna full court press. We're gonna play ball, man. Man up. I like that. We'll see. They play Purdue. Purdue pretty tall, man. Purdue got some shooters. And but this is a different type. One thing about these little, they want to call them mid-majors or these Cinderellas. They've been playing together for a minute. And that's good. That's good. That's a positive right there. But they're not scared. They're not scared. They beat Kentucky, who I always pick. Every year I pick Kentucky. So they busted me right off the tip. And, I'm going to go with St. Peter's, the Peacocks. They repping. They right up the road. It's a couple hours, 3 hours, 4 hours up the road. Not even that, 3 hours up the road, 250, depending on how fast you're driving up 95. And I'm going to rep it with them. So, in probably UCLA. I was rocking with UCLA last year. I hated that they lost, so I'm going to rock with them too. Tough task they got playing North Carolina. Carolina can score. But UCLA got some track stars, some athletes out there. So, and they can shoot. We're shooters. And they can ball, and they well coached. And they hungry based on the experience. We saw against Gonzaga last year. They lost by, game-winning shot. Nothing you can do about it. Played a great game. But I ain't going to sleep on North Carolina, though. But then you got Duke out there. You saw that last night. When it came down to it, Duke made their shots. The other team made too many turnovers at the end of the game. You can't turn the ball over at the end of the game and expect to win against a team coached by Mike Krzyzewski. It's just not going to happen. It's just not going to happen. You saw the difference right there. A couple of miscues on your part when you got the ball, unforced errors or whatever, getting the ball stolen. In the crunch time, a couple of three-pointers, and right then, game over. And plus, of course, they're going to have Coach K going in through the weekend. You can't have him going out on a Thursday night, late Thursday night, going out. That's it for him. His chapter is over. Great career. Hall of Fame coach. Won on every level. So, hats off to him, when that time comes. He might win it all. You never know. Could be destiny. They would love it at CBS. The writers, the sports world, they would love that. They would love that, man. Can you imagine Coach K in the Final Four, a championship? They holding their breath for that outcome. Trust and believe me. That's why last night I was like, hold up, man. I'm like, dude, you just losing the ball. I mean, Texas Tech, you just losing the ball, man. Crucial times. You got to be more mindful. But pressure busts pipes. And unfortunately, it cost them the game, those turnovers. And so they had a great season, but you just can't do that against a well-coached team like Duke. They got too many athletes. Shout out to the homie from DC, Roach, who he was doing his thing. You know what I mean? So shout out to him. So that's probably my two teams that I have. My only interest left is going to be St. Peter's and UCLA. That I would have like more of a favorite to win. I would like to see them win. Obviously St. Peter's because of the Cinderella story. UCLA because of history. They do have the most championships in their bag. But I was rooting for them last year. I got to root for them this year. because they went out, in that heartbreaking way. So, but it's a lot of good basketball to see, and I'm gonna peep the games tonight. I'm gonna relax. I'm gonna wind down and just, my Hoyas are not in it. My local teams. Maryland's not in it. We had Richmond in there. The Maryland women are in their tournament. I think they play tonight, so I might peep that here and there. But I'm gonna be mostly focused on the men's tournament. I'm gonna follow the NIT, and what's the other one they got? I saw another league, not a league, but another tournament. I know that's trying to take off. I got to do my research on that one though. But I did see some other tournament, and I just want to, I'm gonna sit back like everybody else, like a fan, and watch. But anyways, hope everyone doing well and everybody have a good weekend. Please like and subscribe, share this video. Peace.